Guys, join me. Let's withdraw from these boats. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we're going to discuss on how you can withdraw from this ATF airdrop and how you can also withdraw from Piggy airdrop. So we are withdrawing from two boats, this one and this one. Before we dive into it, please hit the subscribe button, like and share this video. In my previous video, I explained everything you need to know about ATF, how these three balance came about, and everything, how you can withdraw, how you can perform your task. But before I withdraw, I also say a little thing concerning them. So now this is my miner, this is my home page. The first one is my total balance, both my holding and my mining. This one is my holding, the one I've withdrawn already that I have not swapped is in my tone keeper. So this one is the current one that I have mined. So it's important that if you withdraw, don't swap, leave it in your tone keeper. It helps you to maintain your mining speed. So this is my mining speed. I'm in level 13. So the more you go up, the more your mining speed increase. So this is the miner, you can see it. When you scroll down, I'm in level 13, so it's active. If I have up to 2329 ATF, I'll increase to level 14 and my mining speed will also increase. So that's how it works. You can come here to perform your task. Make sure you perform all the tasks, you get your reward. Here you can come to invite your friends. Here is your profile where you can withdraw. So how do we withdraw? You click on withdraw, click on mask. Take note, wherever you're withdrawing from here, their charges fee is 70 ATF, 70 token. So any amount you withdraw, they're going to deduct 70 token from it. So now we're going to click on confirm. So confirm withdrawal request, this. Then my total, I will receive 1314. Okay, proceed. So now let's slide to confirm our withdrawal. So now withdrawal requests have been sent. We'll wait for our withdrawal. It normally takes 24 hours. So this, see why? Okay, look at the approved one. So this one is pending. It normally takes 24 hours for them to process the withdrawal. So now let's go back. Let me tell you why you don't need to swap. So this one is the one I withdraw before that did not swap. You see, it's still here. So it made me, my level before was 13, now it has dropped to 7. See, assuming I swap this one to withdraw it to my normal naira, my level will go back to 0. So if you leave it in your tone keeper, it maintains your level, your minor level. So that's why it's good to leave it that way. This is the second one, and the minimum withdrawal, just like ATF, the minimum withdrawal is 500 token. So you make sure you have up to 500 before you can withdraw. So now let's go to, it's still the same thing with the other one. Task, come here to complete your task, the available task. Then you come here, this is their trading value. Right now one token is 0.004. So I think this one is higher than ATF. The amount is higher than ATF. So here you can come to invite your friends, copy your link to invite friends. Here is where you can withdraw. First of all, make sure you connect your wallet. Make sure you connect your wallet if you're using Tonekeeper or if you're using my Tone. So anyone, make sure you connect your wallet. Then let's click on withdraw. So 500 piggy is $2. That's their value. Sometimes it increases, sometimes it decreases, so it depends. So now let's click on withdraw piggy. Withdrawal request sent. requested 500 piggy. Fee is 15, so I'm going to deduct 15 from my balance and I will receive 485.82. So I'll click on OK. So my balance is now 00. Let me go to history. So it's pending. These things take 24 hours before you can receive it in your tone keeper. So when I receive it, I will check my tone keeper. So this is the first one that I withdrew, the ATF that I withdrew before, and you see it here. You'll be seeing it here. You'll be seeing it here. So if you now want to swap, if you receive your money and you want to swap it, you just tap on it, click on swap, choose from ATF. You choose it, put the amount that you want to swap, and you can see it in tone. But I advise not to swap it. You not swapping helps in maintaining your mining speed, so just leave it like this. The money is still in your account, nobody is touching it. They don't have right to your money. So as long as is in your tone keeper, nobody is touching the money. So make sure you leave it like this and don't swap. So that's all for this video. You can join my Telegram channel to see the proof when I get it tomorrow. When I receive the amount tomorrow, I will be dropping it in my Telegram channel.